Right, the objective of this video is to show that a PT2314 audio module bought from Banggood does not work properly, particularly does not work with a Raspberry Pi. Now, in order to demonstrate this, I thought I should first repair one of the chips by replacing the integrated circuit, which is clearly the cause of the problem, and show the system as it should work, and then demonstrate the chip supplied from Banggood not working. So the first the setup I've got here is this is actually the repaired module. The audio input is coming from an iPod Nano. The audio output, which is going from here, is going into the JBL dock unit, and there's a Raspberry Pi 3 here, which is communicating via I2C to the module, and the Raspberry Pi is working via Wi-Fi. So I've got a way to log on to the phone and adjust the volume and treble and bass from the phone. So let's first demonstrate it working. I'll then try and get a view of the chip so you can see that I've changed it, and then we'll put in the original one that you'll see doesn't function correctly. So first I'm going to turn it on, so you can hear some sound coming through, but if I don't know if that's in focus now, so if I turn the volume up, we've got the volume going up and down. This is the treble, so you might hear it a bit more tinny. If I take the treble down, it's a bit softer. Put the treble back up. That's now with a full bass. And that's with the bass off. So all to the volume back down again. So all those functions are working as they should, and that's a working module. Now I'm going to try and show that I have changed the chip on this module, and this might be slightly tricky. We'll leave that connected. Right, so I probably have to get some light on it in the right angle, and then let's zoom in a bit. Okay, you can see it there. So that's PT2314, and it's got an E at the end. So this is version E. Whereas if I now put up the chip as supplied by Banggood, you'll see that it is a PT2314, and it is the original, very, very old version, and that's partly why it's not working. Okay, so having shown the system working, let me just turn the volume down, and then we'll put the there we are. Actually, we can turn it off on that. Right, okay, right, now we'll just swap things over. Just take the power off first and put that out of the way. And then we'll connect up let's move the connections over one at a time. Okay, so that's got all the connections moved over. We just have to apply power. So what we have now is power. So this now is the as supplied by a Banggood module. Would you like me to zoom out a little bit on this? Right. So if we now hang on, let's just demonstrate that right. So that now is playing. And if I turn the volume up to maximum, the treble and bass up and down all over the show, absolutely nothing happens. Right, now just to prove the point, I'm now going to put the repaired chip with the PT2314E integrated circuit in place, and again show the system working. So we'll disconnect power first. Let's go over the ground. audio input, audio output. Okay, there now is the I2C connections. Apply some power. Right, let's just make sure that we've got some. Right, so that's turn that on to playing. Get the phone app on. And there we are. Bottom controls working. Treble. And the bass, all as it should. Okay, so I hope that's clear that the modules as supplied don't work. The reason, as I explained with some photographs I showed, is that the modules I've supplied have a very weak pull down on the I2C data line, and therefore are unable to acknowledge that data has been sent. And without any acknowledgement, the Raspberry Pi stops sending the data, and that's why they don't work. Thank you.